Yo, what is the dealio, man? Hey, listen, in this video, I got a straight banger for you, all right? In this video, what I want to talk about is how you could flip your money every single month in the stock market tax-free. All right, so make sure you watch this video in its entirety. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. All right, so there is more than one way to make money in the stock market, right? There's way more than one way to make money in the stock market. And once you start to understand the game, you could be making money in the stock market 6 different ways, 3 different ways, 5 different ways, right? You got dividend stocks, you got growth stocks, you got covered calls, you got covered puts, you got options, right? Calls and puts, right? You got all kind of different ways to make money. But I want to give you a tax-free way to make money in the stock market, all right? So that you can protect your gains. So I like to say your money, number one, should not be just sitting in the bank, right? Outside of the money that you need for your bills, money should be in the market. This is a lesson that I learned in life, all right, as I've gotten older and I started to understand how money works. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need your Roth IRA, all right? Your Roth IRA. If I knew what I knew now when I was 21, 24, 23, 25, I would have been doing this, okay? It's a very simple concept. So you got your Roth IRA. Hopefully the goal is to max it out every single year. If you can't, just max out however much you can. But what you want to do is you want to start to basically learn and understand what stocks are up and what stocks are down. Rule number one, never buy a stock when it's up, okay? You're not going to make no money when you're buying high. Do not buy stocks when they're up. What you want to do is, let's say you got $5,000 in your IRA, right? And let's say you have $1,000 available. Okay, you got $1,000 available. What you want to do is you want to go get a list of stocks, right? You could go to google.com and type in the S&P 500. And then you could say, okay, what stocks are in the S&P 500? There's 500 companies, right? So you could go to the top 100 companies. And then you could go look and you could say, okay, what stocks are down at least 20% over the past month? Okay? Follow what I'm saying. What stocks are down at least 20% over the last month? You may find some stocks, you may not. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to buy those shares inside of your IRA. All right? There's a reason why I'm saying inside of your IRA. So you want to buy those shares. And then all you're going to do is look for a retracement on that stock. You don't have to hold this stock forever. The beautiful thing about the IRA is when you sell and you have profits, as long as you don't withdraw that money, you don't have to pay taxes on it. So you could keep flipping this money, and you don't have to pay taxes on it, right? So let me give you some examples and what I mean when I say a retracement. All right. So right here, we got Robinhood, right? I'm on my Robinhood, but this is Robinhood. So over the past month, right? You see month, right? Over the past month, on May 6th, let's go back down to April 23rd, right? Right now it is May 21st, okay? So on April 23rd, which is less than a month, Robinhood was at $44, okay? $44. Now, right now, Robinhood is at $66. So all you have to do is learn, okay, where has this stock been at? And what percentage difference is that from where it's been at versus where it's at right now? Okay? So if let's say you had $1,000 and you bought shares of $1,000 worth of Robinhood stock, you know it's headed back to $66. Okay? Now you get in at $44 and then you ride it up to 66. Right now, over the past month, it's up 56%. So that means that you would have turn $1,000 into $1,500 total, which is $500 profit. You could sell those shares, right? Sell those shares, and now you're up 56%, and you don't have to pay taxes on that money. And so what do you do now? Now you got $1,500. Now you can do the same thing with a different stock, right? Past 3 months, Robinhood was at $34 the beginning of April. So we talking about a month and a half, right? So if you would have bought at $34, you would have been up even crazier, okay? It doesn't matter what the stock is. What matters is learning how to understand that a stock retraces, right? Let's go to XYZ, right? A month ago, the stock missed earnings and they dropped to $45 from, they were just at $59. So they dropped $10 and the stock was trading at $59, which is 60 bucks. All right. So now this was on May 2nd. So about 3 weeks ago, it was at $45. The stock just got back up to $58, right? Over the past 2 weeks, 12 days to be exact, from May 2nd to May 14th, right? So that's another flip that you could do inside of your IRA. Okay. Now, how do I know when to buy these stocks? What you need to do is you need to learn how to read the charts, right? Now, let me show you inside of the charts how you can do this. Okay. So right here, right? So this is Google, but let's go to Robinhood. Okay. So check this out. We got the daily time frame. You want to be on the daily time frame. So look, Robinhood was at $66.93. It touched it on February 13th, right? It came all the way down here. At its lowest, it hit $29, right? $29.97. Okay? When you see these charts, you can know this right here is a pattern. It's called a cup and handle, but we also had a double bottom as well. So when you see that a stock was just up here in February and it's at $29, which is about 50% off, you buy your shares here and then you ride it up. Okay? So you can have levels. You can say once it hits $51, I'm gonna sell, or once it hits $40, I'm gonna sell. But if you can get 10% on these returns and you do that every single month, in 12 months, you got 120% return on your money. Okay? It's very, very, very simple. Now let's go to XYZ. Okay? I just showed you that they was up here at $59. They dropped to $45. All right? And now they just recovered. Why did they come up here? Because this is a gap that needs to be filled. And what did it do? It came right back up and it filled the gap, right? So you could have bought your shares here at $45. Let's say you got 100 shares. That's $4,500, right? And then you sell your shares at $58, right? That's $1,300 in profit. It's that simple, okay? It is that simple. That's all you have to do. So you could keep flipping your money inside of your IRA and growing your IRA this way. All right. The biggest thing is you just got to learn how to read the charts and you got to understand what does a retracement mean. The stock market is biased and is built to go up. So because the stock market is built to go up, right? Follow what I'm saying. Because the stock market is biased to go up, right? The only reason that stocks come down is so that the politicians and stuff and the big money can get into these trades get into these stocks and then ride it up. They take profit, it comes back down, and then it just keeps going back up, going up, going up, right? If the stock market don't go up, they not making no money, right? So once you understand that the stock market is biased to go up, then you gonna say, okay, every time we get a pullback, I got an extra $1,000. I'm gonna put it in my IRA, or I'm gonna sell, a couple little shares here and there, have $1,000, and then boom, you can do that because all you need to do is find a stock that's currently down. That's all you need to do. It's that simple. I'm not even talking about options. The best part about shares is there's no expiration date, but that's all you need to do. And obviously you're gonna have your shares, your dividends, your ETFs and stuff like that. But the thing about it is when the market could be down a little bit for the week, right? If you got an extra $1,000, $1,500 in your IRA that's available, you could be flipping that money, getting better returns than what the ETFs are gonna do, right, for that month. And you could just be holding on to your ETFs for dividend payouts or however you wanna do it. But the best part about it is when you do it inside of your IRA, you're not gonna be taxed until you withdraw the money. So you could be getting crazy gains tax-free and just building that up. And this how you can, supercharge your retirement. All right. So I hope that video helped. I hope it made sense, and I hope that you implement it. All right. Like I always say, make sure you get up out of your head and go get into this world because your head is a dangerous place to live. All right. And also remember, the more you study, the less you worry. All right. I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Peace.